Hey everybody, Dave here with 5 vegetarian recipes to make the holidays and Christmas that little bit easier. I know it can be a stressful time of year. You've got family commitments, work pressure, and food can definitely add to that stress. So I'm here to take it away again. I'm Dave from Hurry the Food Up. We are a vegetarian website that specializes in high protein and weight loss, but also just awesome vegetarian food. Generally, our recipes are very quick and easy to make, especially in large batches. I love to save time in the kitchen. That's my thing. And here's the first recipe. Right, we've got the perfect vegetable Wellington. It's perfect because it comes out so well every single time. Not only does it look amazing on the Christmas table, or it could be for Thanksgiving as well, of course, it tastes fantastic and it could be made at least mostly the day before. So, what you can do is cook the insides and keep them in the fridge until the next day. Or if you want to prepare weeks in advance, you can do that as well. Just stick the insides in the freezer. On the day of cooking, you get them out, put them aside in the pastry. Off you go. You've got a fantastic recipe for your main Christmas course. Next is the low carb cheese and spinach pie. Low carb is not something I normally aim for, but occasionally when we're filling up on all these sweets and treats and everything around Christmas time, you feel a bit bloated, you don't quite feel yourself. It can be nice to just cut down a little bit. And this pie takes 5 minutes to prepare, literally 5 minutes, and off it goes into the oven. For me, that is an absolute winner. It really takes a lot of the stress out when you know you can have a great, healthy meal in 5 minutes, high in protein. What else can you ask for, really? Next up, we have got microwave baked potatoes. Now, these potatoes, the reason they're here is because one, I'm supplying a full guide where you can cook them in the microwave if you need to save time. So literally, you've got food in just a few minutes. You can also oven bake them for a kind of a crispier shell to them. But everybody can pick their own toppings. So if you've got a load of people coming around for a spontaneous meal, or perhaps as part of Christmas, whatever, and you need to cook for people, many people with different tastes, you can make several different toppings and let everybody pick what they would like to see on their baked potatoes. So yeah, really easy and caters for all tastes. Next is our second main course for Christmas Day. It's the perfect vegetarian nut roast. This is one of the most popular recipes on our website. Just go and check out the comments. I'll leave a link below, of course, with all these recipes. It is well loved and it has become a vegetarian staple Christmas replacement for many households. It's so good. It feels filling. It's full of protein. It's very tasty. Honestly, give this one a try, and you will have a happy Christmas. Um, what else can I say about it? It's a beast. Now, the last recipe I'm going to talk about here is kind of a cheat recipe, but it will make Christmas that little bit easier for you. And that is, of course, a traditional German mulled wine recipe. This is far better than store bought. It also works out cheaper if you make it in batches, and who wouldn't? It's very tasty. It's very traditional. So this is what real German Glühwein tastes like, and in my humble opinion, that is hard to beat. So yeah, at the end of a long day of food prepping, this might just be one to let's say help you relax. All right, guys, that's it. There's 5 recipes. I hope they make your Christmas or Thanksgiving or the holiday season in general just a little bit easier. If you need any high protein recipes, then we have a free meal plan for you. This can be for muscle building or for weight loss. There's a couple of different types. Check down in the link below, and you'll see the meal plan right there. So have a great week, guys. See you again soon. Bye for now.